guys, myself Rishan Singh Narwat, and I am a professional cricket player. I have played for Rajasthan and several other teams. Currently I am playing for Saint-Price Cricket Club in France, and a few days ago I have been made as the brand ambassador for Valiant Worldwide Sports brand for France, so that is quite amazing and I am very excited about it. For me, the answer is very simple. When I was a young child, in the very early age, I was very fascinated about sports, and to be honest, for cricket I was crazy. I used to bat Sachin and others. Even Virendra Sehwag was my personal favorite. I used to watch them bat, and that was really amazing, and it inspired me a lot. It motivated me, and after that I decided, like millions of other Indians, that I'm going to represent my nation. I'm going to represent my country in cricket. What I want to tell you is, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all at what level you play. The most important thing is feeling. If you are playing for the national team, state team, even at the club matches, that doesn't matter. What matters is the feeling and your enthusiasm, and are you willing to give your 100% on it? Because now also when I enter a ground, a stadium for a match, the feeling is really amazing, astonishing. Most of the times there are mixed feelings. I'm always definitely I'm nervous, but I'm very excited, happy and content, because cricket is one of the things that make me joyful. So that is really beautiful. And so irrespective of the level, your commitment matters. It is the most important thing. And yes, of course, the other aspect is the crowd. When you are going to play at any level, it doesn't matter. Of course, if the level rises, there are huge crowds. They are in numbers of thousands, and they are supporting you. Actually, that is the thing that I can't even explain using simple words. I don't have fancy words like this to support this hypothesis, but this is something really amazing. When, for example, per se, if you are fielding on the boundary, if you are playing a cricket match, and there are number of hundreds or thousands of people, they are supporting you, they are behind you. That feeling is really astonishing and amazing. And if you did some splendid work during the field, they will support you. The crowd will support you throughout the match, maybe in the upcoming matches as well. Personally, I believe if you are losing also, there is a big win in that. Because I want to explain this with an easy example. For example, a cricket match has been played between two teams, and the the difference is only 1 run of winning and losing. So can you imagine the team who won? The difference is only 1 run. So they have been almost equal. They have played equally well, and the margin is 1. So the winning team, they will go in their dugout, they will go to their hotel, they will enjoy, they will party, and they won't be bothered about other things, other aspects. But the team who lost the match, they will go, they will analyze their weaknesses, and they will work on it. So what does it make? They will come back stronger in the next match. So that is the thing you gain from losing. So for me, of course, I always go out to win, but that is the thing. And these things make you, in most of the time when you are feeling low, these are the positives that make you come out as a great sportsman. So always think, of course, always definitely give your best, try to win, give your full commitment towards the game, but there's no harm in losing. So try to embrace it, try to embrace the chaos, try to embrace the defeat as well. So that is very important. I request all the young people out there, go grab and decide and choose a sport for yourself. Go and play in the middle, sweat out, and because sports is a thing that will not only keep your body physically intact, but of course mentally other aspects of life in the life as well. That will make you great. And this idea of Olympics, it is very amazing, and I want you all, I request you all to go out, see their Facebook page, Instagram page. Such an amazing idea. Go check it out, talk to them, and nothing can't be better than this during this time, during this crisis. You guys have come up with such an amazing idea, and I wish you all a good luck for the future. Thank you so much.